Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how much it costs to make an iPhone. We'll break down the various expenses involved, from the tiny components to the final assembly. It's a fascinating look into the economics of one of the world's most popular devices. You might be surprised by the difference between the production cost and the price you pay in stores. Let's dive into the details. Let's start with the physical parts. The display, often an advanced OLED screen, can cost around $65 to $80. The powerful custom-designed processor chip is another major expense, typically $45 to $130. High-quality camera systems, memory, and storage also contribute significantly, bringing the total bill of materials for a modern iPhone to approximately $400 to $500. Beyond the raw materials, there are many other costs. Assembly and testing labor, while involving thousands of workers, can be as low as $5 to $10 per unit due to efficient processes. However, massive investments in research and development, totaling billions of dollars each year, are crucial for innovation. Additionally, marketing, software creation, packaging, and global shipping all contribute to the final cost before an iPhone reaches your hands. So, what's the big picture? While the estimated total cost to produce an iPhone, including components and assembly, might be around $400 to $500, the retail price is significantly higher. This difference accounts for Apple's substantial profit margins, often around 60%. It also covers extensive research, marketing, software development, and the value of the entire Apple ecosystem and customer support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.